So in lesson number 4, we're going to be talking about improper fractions and mixed numbers. So an improper fraction is a fraction with a numerator that is greater than or equal to its denominator. So it asks us to circle the improper fractions below. Well, if I look, 3/2 is my numerator greater than or equal to my denominator? Yes, it is. So I'm going to circle that. So look at 4/5. Is my numerator greater than or equal to my denominator? No, it's less than my denominator. So that is not an improper fraction. 2/2. Is my numerator greater than or equal to my denominator? Yes, it's equal to. So this is an improper fraction. 6/4. Is 6 greater than or equal to its denominator? Yes, 6 is larger than 4. That is an improper fraction. How about 7/8? Is 7, my numerator, greater than or equal to its denominator? No, 7 is less than 8. This is not an improper fraction. 8/5. Is 8 greater than or equal to 5? Yes. So this is an improper fraction. 2/1. Is my numerator 2 greater than or equal to my denominator of 1? Yes, it is. This is also an improper fraction. Let's look at mixed numbers. These are whole numbers and a fraction combined, okay? So it asks us to circle our mixed numbers below. Well, 3/2 does not have a whole number along with it. So this is not a mixed number. Now 2 4/5. 2 is my whole number and 4/5 is my fraction. This is a whole number and a fraction combined. So yes, this is a mixed number. How about 6 1/2? Yes, 6 is my whole number and 1/2 is a fraction. This is also a mixed number. How about 6/4? It's missing a whole number, so it is not a mixed number. 3 7/8. Well, 3 is my whole number and 7/8 is my fraction. So yes, this is a mixed number. 4 3/5. Well, 4 is a whole number along with the fraction. So yes, this is also a mixed number. 2/1. I do not have a whole number. I only have a fraction. This is not a mixed number. Number 3 asks us to write the improper fraction and the mixed number form for each of these fraction pictures. So if I look at A, I have 3/3 shaded. This is one whole. And then here I have 2/3 shaded. So that is 2/3. So my improper fraction is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total shaded pieces over how many units am I breaking it up into? Well, 3. So remember, the denominator is how many pieces, equal pieces, the figure is being broken up into. The numerator is how many we're focused on or how many are shaded in, how many we're working with. In this case, it's 5. Now, when I look at a mixed number, I know that I have one whole piece. 3 out of 3. So I have 1 whole. And then what I have left over are these 2 out of the 3 shaded pieces. So that becomes my fraction. So let's look at B. How many pieces, equal pieces, is this being broken up into? Well, each group is being broken up into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So that becomes my denominator. Everything is being broken up into 4 equal parts. How many total shaded parts do I have? Well, I have 4 here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So 14 total shaded parts, and I'm breaking it up into 4s. Now my whole number, well, I have 1 whole, 2 whole, 3 whole. So I have 3 total. That's my whole number. And then my last one, I have 2 out of 4 being shaded in. That's what I have left. So try C by yourself, and then we'll check it. Okay, so let's look at this. Each section is being broken up into 3 pieces. So my denominator will be 3. Now, how many total pieces do I have shaded? Well, there's 3 there, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I have 7 total sections that are shaded. Now, how many holes are there? Well, there's 1 hole here and 2 holes here. So those are 2 whole. That's my whole number. And when I look at this last one, I only have 1 out of 3 shaded. So 1 out of the 3 shaded. Okay, let's keep going. So here, how many pieces am I breaking this up into? Well, 2 pieces. So my denominator is 2. And how many total shaded in do I have? Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 total pieces that are shaded. How many holes do I have? What is my mixed number? Well, I have 1, 2, 3 total pieces. So my mixed number is really just 3. I have 3 whole. All right, so E. Again, you want to ask how many pieces, equal pieces, am I breaking this up into? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 into fifths. So my denominator will be 5. Well, how many total shaded in do I have? Well, come back, I have 5 here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 total shaded in. Now, how many whole numbers do I have? Well, I have 1 here, 2, and 3 that are all shaded in. So I have 3 holes. And then when I look at this, I have 1 out of 5 left over. So that would be my mixed number. Let's look at the birthday cake. How many pieces am I breaking this up into? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 total pieces. So my denominator will be 6. And how many pieces are here? Well, I know I have 6 total here and 1 here. So that would be 7. Now I have 1 whole cake. And in here, I have 1 out of 6 left over. Whoops. That is my mixed number. Now number 8, or G, sorry. All right, I am breaking this up into 3 equal parts. So my denominator will be 3. How many are shaded in? Well, I have 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 shaded in. That is my improper fraction. My mixed number, how many holes do I have shaded in? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 whole shaded in. So 4 is my mixed number.